Hi, in this video first we will verify if a given point is a solution of a system of equation. Then we will solve a system of equation by graphing. Okay, the first question that we have here, we have a system of equation, the one that is given in this area where the mouse is moving, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4 points, and we want to check if the points that are there are actually solutions to the system. One way to do this is the negative a and 0 should satisfy each one of the equations. If that's the case, then it is a solution. So one possible way it is substituting each of the points. So the system of equations is 2x plus 7y equals 3. That's the first equation. The second equation is this. Now, they're asking me, is negative a comma 0 the solution? To the above system, for example. So this is x and this is y. Then what we need to do is to substitute it. So I do the substitution, negative 2, and then x is supposed to be negative 8 plus 7, and then the y is a 0, right? And this, have a question mark, should be 3. So negative times negative is 16, 7 times 0 is 0, equals 3, 16 plus 0 is 16, and then that's the question mark. Is 16 equals to 3? No. That's not a solution. So that's what I'm putting a question mark here. I'm putting a question mark. Is this really equal? No. So this cannot be a solution. That's a no. So I could do this on my paper, and it's probably gonna take me for a while copying and substituting. So that's what I have a calculator here, because look, if I had the calculator, I do negative 2, so copy the first equation, and then the negative 8 plus in the parentheses plus 7 parentheses, and then the y is 0, right? 0. And then I get an answer that we don't see. Let me move the, you don't see it on the PDF. You see the 16 right here? So it's asking me, is 16 equals to 3? No, so that we gotta know. Then we do the substitution for the other point. So look at that, look that I didn't do the second equation because I gotta know. To be a solution, this needs to be a yes and this needs to be a yes when I do the substitution. So now let's do the other one. The other one is negative 4 for the x and negative 9. You see that using the calculator is faster? Negative 9. So now I get negative 55 and I should get a 3. So that's another no. Let's see the 9 and 3. So the x is 9 and the y is 3. And the answer is a 3. So it looks that this may be a solution, but it has to satisfy the second equation. So we'll hit enter and see if it satisfies the second equation. The second equation is 5 times x, and the x is going to be 9, right? Minus 3y, and the y is 3. And the answer is 36, and the answer should be 7. So no, maybe this is the solution. Let's see. Here, x is 2 and y is 1. I got a 3. 3, fine. Now let's see the other one. 2, that's what it says here. X is 2 where the mouse is moving, and y is 1. Y is 1. 7. Perfect. 3 and 7. You see? 3, 7. Yes. This is a solution. Now, I have even an easier way to do this. That's another possibility. Is graphing. I say in previous classes that a system of equation has 3 possible answers. No solution, a unique solution, infinite number of solutions. So, and that we can see that with the graph. So look, I just want to type the equation just like it is. Negative 2x plus 7y equals 3. That's the first equation. And then 5x minus 3y equals 7. They have a solution. The solution is the intersection. So we click on the intersection and it says that it's 2 comma 1. So the answer is 2 comma 1. Wow. And the others were not answers. Oh, check. Correct. Wow, amazing, isn't it? So some exercises gonna be like this, and there will be other exercises. Let me see number 8. Those are the one about graphing. So in this case, they are not asking me for a solution. As they say graph. So we're supposed to graph the equation here. Now there are multiple ways that we can do the graphing, that we have studied how to do graphing. Of course, the easiest one would be to use the desmos, but remember that we have been using tables to graph. So we can use a table to graph this and another table to graph this. So we put the two graphs like the ones that we were doing in other examples and look for the intersection. Once we find the intersection, then that's the solution. If there is no intersection, we say no solution. So again, the easiest one is using desmos 2x to do the graph for us, plus y equals 6. So that's the first equation. The second equation, y equals negative 1 divided by 4, which is a fraction. And then I put an x, and then minus 3. I see an intersection. So there is a solution. We click on the intersection. That's negative 4 and negative 2. However, we need to do the graph here. So what I can do is, let me see, this, I need 2 points per graph. So 0, 6, and negative 3. Okay, so we can plot those points because they want me to do the graph. So for the first graph is, I say what? 0, 6, 0, and 6. And then we say plot. Then I need another point. Just need 2 points for each line. Negative 3 and 0. Plot. And now we need to draw the line here, here. So that's the first line, that's the black line. Now let's do the red one. So the red one, let's click here to see the point. Here is 0, negative 3. 0, negative 3, plot. And I need another point. I can get the intersection. Negative 4 and negative 2. And we need just 2 points to draw. Negative 2, plot. Now we go here. Then we click on the first point. And this is the second point, right? So that's the red line. So now I got the graph. Now the solution is the intersection, and we saw that the intersection is negative 4. So solution, parentheses, negative 4, comma, negative 2. Check. Wow, nice.